Okay, so if you love chicken, you definitely will love this spatchcock rosemary and lemon chicken. Stay with me and let's make it together. So I have my chicken cleaned and I have removed the bone at the back, which is why it's called spatchcock or butterfly chicken. And what I'm going to do now is to make some incisions so the marinade will go in everywhere. Also, you can feel free, if you don't want it like a spatchcock, you can divide your chicken into 4 or 2 and that's it. Or even use chicken drums, because that's what I've been using this marinade for. I'll set this aside and then I'll go ahead and then make my marinade. Here is the main spice, which is rosemary and lemon. I'll be using this to marinate and then the same to baste while it's baking. I'll list the amount in the description box below. And then we have here some smoked paprika, not too much. And then garlic granules or garlic powder, however you call it. And then my spice. You can use any spice of your choice. And salt. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, my peppercorns, which has white pepper, coriander seed, allspice, Brazilian peppercorns, and then green peppercorns. So if you do not have this, trust me that black pepper should work perfectly fine. Okay, it's just that you're going to get a mixture of all these peppers. And so what I've mentioned, if you would love to have all of them in there, you can, which is the coriander seed, white pepper, black pepper, and allspice. Okay. Okay, you can see that's quite an amount. So let's say 2 teaspoons or so. Mix it together. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Time to season the chicken. And so I'm going to do that on my chopping board. So you get a kitchen towel and then you dab off the excess moisture on there. Should have put one tissue down there, but anyway, so there. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to season with a little bit of salt. Sometimes when you don't do this and then you put your marinade on, you really don't get the taste right. So just a little bit of salt to do the magic. Yeah, perfect. And then in goes the marinade. Because I'm going to baste the chicken later, I'm not going to use any oil now, because I'll use oil to baste it, if you get what I mean. So like that. So here with cling film and then marinate for an hour. So in the fridge it goes. So now you're adding your oil. This is going to be for the basil. When I say this smells good, it smells good. I've been using this for chicken wings and chicken drums for some time, and it smells so good and it tastes awesome. Okay, so here is my chicken out of the fridge and it's time to bake. So I have my oven preheated. Very important to do that. Oven is preheated. Chicken is going in there to roast. The aroma from the chicken here, even before it's roasted, is so divine. So here we go. Yep. And depending on the size of your chicken, mine will go in for 40 to 50 minutes, and then we'll give it a check. And I'm going to do that on 200 degrees. Yeah, so in the oven it goes. So here's our chicken after 40 minutes in the oven. And so you remember the oil and the seasonings we mixed earlier. You may use butter, but I just used the oil. And then you want to go ahead and then baste it. So this goes back into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes and the chicken will be good. So as done. Here we have our rosemary and lemon spatchcock chicken ready. The aroma from this chicken is on another level. Please don't forget to like, comment, share recipe with family and friends, subscribe if you haven't. And if you're already here, I'd like to say thank you and thank you and thank you for always watching my videos and leaving your sweet comments. So I'll see you soon. Bye.